Audio Jungle. Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus, which falls on the series of Tecno Spark 20. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, which has up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of brightness. Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone has 4 different colors. It has a RAM of 8GB and a 256GB. In terms of optics, it has a 108 megapixels in the main camera, and it supports 3x in-sensor zoom along with auxiliary lenses. The selfie camera has 32 megapixels, which has dual LED light to take photos in low light environments. Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus boasts a 5000 battery with 33 watts for fast charging. It falls under Android 14, P53 specified for dust and splash resistance.